Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to go over the PM silver bullet for Friday, July 19th. So as you can see, we are in between the range of the New York lunch buy side liquidity right here. And so we want to wait for SMT, wait for our market structure shift, which will be on breaker block, and take our trade. So let's see how this plays out. Okay. Watching what price is doing. We are close to having SMT. All right, we have SMT. We have SMT with ES right there. So now I need it to close below this down close candle for a breaker block. For a breaker block right here. Ooh, and it just did too. We're going to sell right there. Let's put our position on. Let's just go like this. And right there. And let's go down there. Let's pull our fib from high to low here. It's 2.5. Let's go right there. Okay. Right below this low, so that's a good target. Basically right before New York lunch, so sell sides, that's great. Let me take out this low here. I'll go with my stop to break even. Close below, close. Didn't close below. Alright, there I'm going to break even. Okay. And now I'm watching because we're getting close to having SMT with ES. Ooh, don't like that. Okay. We almost had SMT with ES right here. So oh, we do. We have SMT right there. So I'm going to close my trade because we have SMT right here with ES. So I collapsed my trade because I'm watching because we have SMT here, which means we might be saving this for these lows, building up liquidity down here to take out at a later time. So I'll just get out here. It actually closes me here because of the way Tradingview does it, but it was getting close there. So, you know, there's a breaker here. Just want to monitor that, see if it's going to hold. All right, well, here's another breaker. So if we trade back into that, didn't trade into it. Didn't trade into it. Now we traded into it. Let's buy one there. Let's put our stock right here. Go right here. And let's pull our fib. low to the high here, in between there and here. It's good. It's 4 to 1. Let's see how this reacts. It breaks. It's at this breaker right now. So when it closes above that, I will go to break even. Let's go to this top of this order block. So I have one winner. I'm going to save my capital here. Okay. All right. Well, there you go. Perfect. Let's take a couple more tries like this. Okay. We came to the 2 o'clock hour and we had New York lunch sell side here and New York buy side, lunch buy side up here. So we were in the middle. So we were waiting to see what was going to happen. It gave us SMT here, formed a breaker, so a market structure shift. So we entered there on the breaker, aimed for 2.5, which would have been basically the New York lunch sell side. And as it was coming down, it formed SMT with ES, and then started retracing. So we got out of our trade immediately, and then we watched this breaker held. It got traded into here, and it held. This second breaker got traded into here. We entered it. We pulled our standard deviations. 2.5 was right at this high. I mean, we just decided to go for 4, so just fine here. And it ended up hitting. Did it hit? Did it hit the 4? Look at that. It hit 4 standard deviations to the tick. So we got those are our 2 trades for the PM Silver Bullet for July 19th using the Kraken suite of indicators.